Hey Henna Guys Fam, let's talk about our Orange Red Henna dye. Orange Red contains just one ingredient, henna. Orange Red will be closer to a natural red color, depending on what your current color is. So let's jump right into the mixing of henna. First off, we're going to need a non-metallic bowl. We used a glass bowl. Also be sure to use either wooden or plastic utensil. You will need to measure out the henna powder. The amount will depend on what length your hair currently is. Full measurements will be given in the description box. We used the entire packet. After your henna is measured out, go ahead and pour it into the bowl. After the henna is in the bowl, you will need the liquid. We've used black brewed coffee, but you can use either distilled water or tea. When pouring in your liquid, be sure to add it in gradually. After each addition of the liquid, you will need to stir it into the henna. This will help to eliminate any clumps. So just pour in a little at a time and stir after. After you finish pouring the liquid, you will need to stir for several minutes. The henna will need to be a smooth, cake batter-like consistency for application. While we're stirring, let's talk about what can be added to your henna mixture. You can add in a few drops of lavender essential oil. Lavender will help to create a pleasant aroma and help to enhance the color. When mixing the henna, you can also add in a conditioning hair mask. Depending on what you are experiencing with your hair, there can be several combinations that can be customized. You can find essential oils and different conditioning hair masks on our website, www.thehennaguys.com. So after several minutes of stirring, your henna should look very similar to this. You can see it has a smooth, batter-like texture. Once your henna has the correct consistency, you will need to let it complete the full dye release process. For Orange Red, that period is 8 to 10 hours. If you would like, you can mix the henna the night before you would like to dye your hair. Just make sure that you cover it completely so it doesn't dry out. After 8 to 10 hours, uncover the henna and stir it. After sitting for that long period of time, it will have oxidized, so stirring is important. The henna is now ready for application. Make sure that your hair is clean and dry. Part your hair into sections, and when applying, start from the roots of your hair and work your way down to the ends. Be sure that you fully coat each strand of hair. Any hair missed will not be dyed properly. After all of your hair is covered in henna, you will need to let it set for about 3 hours. Cover your hair with either plastic wrap or the provided shower cap. You can place a dry towel over the shower cap. This will help to trap in the heat, which will make it easier for the henna to soak into the hair follicles. After 3 hours, you can rinse out the henna. Using cool water, start from the ends working up to the roots. You can use a generous amount of paraben and sulfate-free conditioner to help remove the henna. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on social media.